Hi minasan! My name is Pia, and I'm here to share bits and pieces of my life as a person with so many hats. I'm a fur mama, a plantita, a handy lady, a budding businesswoman, and a work from home professional. I like to do all sorts of things. This is how I define everyday success. Please join me as I'm back with a new project. I have been working on plants for decades long, not professionally, but more of a hobby. It's a passion that lives in me. In this video, I'll show you how I grow ornamental plants from cuttings. I like to roam around the neighborhood and cut out variety of foliage, some very common and some unusual. I say a little prayer every time I do this because I believe that every creation has life and deserves to be treated fairly. I cut them with hopes of giving them a new life in my garden. I also collected some old plants that I have in the front yard to fix them up and give fresh soil. Although in this case, I'm using cocoa peat. Why do I choose to cut plants when it's more convenient to buy from gardening shops? Simply because it is more fulfilling to start from scratch, or in this case, to grow roots from cuttings. I get a sense of pride whenever I see my cuttings develop into full grown plants. This means that I was able to give them a new life. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned that I'm not a professional in this craft. My gardening skills are more of self-taught and common sense. I also read a lot to get guidance. I advocate constant learning. Every day is an opportunity to learn something new, something different, something that will make life worthwhile. I do humble steps to help the environment. I recycled these tin cans and made them planters for seedlings and cuttings. I have leftover gray paint in my storage, so I painted the cans as rust proofing. I collect thrown away planters on the street and give them a good clean to become pots in my garden. Thank you for watching, minasan. It's my hope to create laid-back yet interesting short videos. Mata ne!